Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this record that I'm providing. Very, very crucial, very, very important. Civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking is the wisdom. Okay. So with that said, I'll quickly run through this civil justice, and we all can be on the same page on this regard. It's all about the Mondelez snacks. You know, the Ritz, crackers, those are all come under this umbrella, and they provided tax fraud, and it's the deadliest crime. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman King Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, Native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. The scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide. Republica had found guilty prostitutes of Europe, USA tax fraud of March 2021 is proved. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Mondelez provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP leader Mitch McConnell provided tax fraud is crime is provided by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden between 2020 to 2024 provided tax fraud is crime is provided by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh provided tax fraud is crime is provided by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Roman Province Jesus Arcs of State of Wisconsin, State of Michigan, State of Illinois, State of New York, State of New England, State of Maryland, State of Louisiana, State of Missouri, State of California, State of Oregon provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I. Vedapriya Pro Se. What is the note? Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Mondelez created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se on October 2018 is proved for prostitute Republican government of USA to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job of USA on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I. Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil law must be provided now without any delay. I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Mondelez created robocall poverty mandate. I. Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republican government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate. I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly in October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. And as of today, February 2021, to I. Vedapriya Pro Se, enforced finance disabled to I. Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly. So it is a crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, US Republican government and US Democrat government and Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis and Mondelez created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and so civil justice is I. Vedapriya Pro Se wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000 and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis Mondelez created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $1,500,000 trillion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types and endangered species and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness of God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.